You'd have it right, huh?
I think so.
All right. So, anyway, so Scotty Poo, here we go. We're going to switch things around here so we can look at you. Da da da.
Look at me.
And okay, you're going to do that? Yeah. So, yeah. Go ahead and strum us a song here. Let me hear. Just strum something. That's pretty good. Now sing something.
Sleigh bells ring.
Oh, there he goes.
Are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird. His sleigh is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend our his person drowned. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man." But you can do the job while you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we grieve by the fire. Face unafraid, the plans that we made. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Yeehaw! Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so Christmas wreath, Palapoo. What can we say?
Oh, Christmas wreath.
We get a Christmas wreath for that, Scotty. How about that?
Oh, yes.
Is that all right?
Oh, whatever you say.
So what other songs you got up your sleeve there? You wrote one not too long ago, didn't you?
I died.
Huh?
I died.
It died? I don't think it did.
I'm coming home for Christmas. I can see my Christmas moon. I've been gone so long, you see, I miss my home family. Now things are gonna be just like before. I'm coming home for Christmas. I can't believe I've been away so long. Seems like only yesterday I said goodbye and say one day. Now I'm coming home for Christmas. Every year when Christmas comes around, all alone at home is where I'm found. Wondering what my friends are all doing now, and wishing I could be with them somehow. I'm coming home for Christmas. All my friends are waiting there, you see. I've been gone a long, long while. I'm gonna come back home in style with presents here for all the family.
Palapoo?
Oh, definitely a wreath. That was really
That was a
lovely.
wreath? Oh, okay. Now that was one he wrote. Now, where did you find, come up here, can you get up and make sure. So tell us,